Morning, guys. Johnny here. We out here. We out here with my boy Ty. Might do a little playing the boarding, catch some strappers. Got some bait in. I don't know how to open that up. Boy Ty, say what's up, boy.
What's goody? What's goody in the hoodie?
This man set up. He got a small boat with a big old 50-inch TV. Boy, right in the middle.
Computer monitor I got?
Big old 20-inch TV.
Yeah.
I see that. Well, take up the whole boat.
Okay.
It look good though. I like it. Fit perfect, huh?
What?
It fits. Look at all them baits running right there. No wonder they up here.
That's why I was thinking I'm pulling that bank.
Yeah.
What you want to do now? For real.
Do what you said. Play around the playboard right there.
Let's go look at the towers.
Go see how. Oh, straight. Go see how I look like.
While the sun's still down.
Yeah.
And once the light get up, we'll just pull from there.
That work.
Hug the wall and pull the towers over to the food area.
You my guys. You show me. I'm new here.
I just want to go see. Because not everybody know how to read a fish trying to know where that depth is.
Oh yeah.
It could be easy money. You can go ahead and catch it later in 20 minutes.
Shit feel good though.
Look.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's what you want. I ain't seen nothing like that over there.
Yeah, that's some big arches.
Top two. At the top.
Let me try one down rigger.
No, come on. You got to learn playing the board.
I know you can play board. I'm just gonna drop one line down.
No, just come on. Come on.
Let's see.
All right. Look at the fish right there. 10 foot. We about to catch some fish. All right, see, I got my speed right, 0.7.
All right.
I got my north heading. Look at the fish. We about to catch some. See, that we should have stuck to the plan. We should have stuck to the plan.
Run that playing board first.
Captain T know what he doing. All right.
There's some good keepers there too.
Hush. We ain't got to them yet. They there.
Yeah, baits everywhere.
All right. What you want to do? Let out. 30.
Yeah. The hell that?
Is he on there?
Yeah.
Is he?
Thing on there.
He's chasing that. He's chasing. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Bruh, get a line. Get one of them.
Oh,
get one of them. Put that line out.
I'm new to this thing.
He was just chasing.
You got him? He's still swimming.
That fish is about to get hit. You seen that?
Yeah.
Did you see that? Just free line one out. That literally about to get hit. See that?
Yeah.
What you doing?
Hold on.
Unhook it.
Do something wrong?
Unhook it. You gotta hook it through the nose.
Why you said that earlier?
You gotta hook it through the nose, baby. Hook it through the nose.
Alright.
Put out about 30, 40 foot. I thought that fish was chasing another bait fish, but then I see my line, like the damn, you know what I mean? About 30 foot.
Oh, so put the line out first, then you put the board on.
Yeah.
Oh, so I'm new to this thing. I don't know. Alright, now what?
You got 30 foot out, lock him.
Yeah.
Lock the thing down.
Log it in.
Yeah.
Alright. Grab myself a board.
Alright. Yeah, get that ass in.
Ass in? Which one's the ass?
Ass.
This the ass?
Yep.
Clip it on line?
Yep. On the top part of the line. Clip that on, you gotta clip it, like open it up and then close it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Something just hit the fucking top right here. By the boat, though.
Alright, it's clipped on.
Okay. Now, turn it around. Put that yellow part towards the rod tip.
Over here.
Yep, just like that. Yes, sir.
How you clip this thing on? Just slide in? Just...
Open it up. Push it like a safety pin. Like you're clipping the clothes pin on the clothes pin. Clip it halfway. Don't clip it all the way.
At the tip of it, right here?
Halfway.
Huh.
Lines. I'm not sure. Hold on. Yeah, just like, yeah, that's good. Like that there.
Just let it line out?
Yeah, put it in the holder. Push the runner, clicker.
Yeah.
And you can do multiple like this. Let me see it like this. Push the bait runner on.
Yeah.
See that? And it'll do its thing. Put it in this back holder. Boom.
Oh.
And then do your next one.
I got you now, I got you.
Because of the speed of the boat,
Yeah,
pull
yeah.
out on its own. See how this is doing?
Yeah.
Stagnant. Morning. You got a line out on the side on the board? Alright, I'll reel it in. Ain't trying to be on top of it. Oh shit. Now, Lord have mercy.
What? Oh, the line right there? I see it. You thought you were bored?
I didn't even see it back there. Dead ass, I didn't. I thought it was up in there. It was just below the water level. Sorry about that, brother. The bait on top of water like it's foul hook. Fucking with him. He ain't even try to reel in his lines none, but look out.
He said, fuck you. He's the airman for himself.
You see that shit?
Yeah.
I mean, he could have reeled it in a little bit.
He see us.
Trying to be a little bit of asshole too, didn't wait. I got a line right there. Well, we trying to, you see us making a pull. Quiet, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Fish at the top of the water, dead ahead. See him? Look straight ahead. See that squirrel?
Oh, yeah, I see it now.
That's on the way down. Oh, backboard.
School bait right there. A clump of bait right there.
Yeah, my backboard's got
Oh shit! Oh.
Get him, baby. Get him, baby. There he is. Get him, Debo. Turn your camera on. Turn your camera on. Turn your camera on. Turn your camera on.
I think it's on.
He's on there. He's on there?
Got one on the planer board, guys. Feel like a decent size.
Head off.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
We'll see if we bring them in. There you go, coming in. Ooh, feel like a little like keeper. Look like 21 to me.
Get to the house first.
Yeah.
Come on, just get him to the house.
Look like
first.
22 to me.
Get him to the house first. Don't worry about that. Get him to the house.
There you go. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. That's keeper. All day. You ain't gotta measure that, bro.
Let's go, baby.
Good stuff.
Yes, sir. Stick to the plan.
There you go.
Stick to the plan.
That one just took off. See this. Woo.
Good.
Well, look.
Oh, go on, hit it, man. Hit it. Why? Show hit it. Let it. little body.
Oh, he's playing with it. Is it on there? Is it on there?
I think, no, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, he's on there. We got a minnow.
What you catch? Where he at?
A minnow? I thought we got one minnow. Man, hell.
Oh, look at that right there.
Ain't shit. You get the biggest, I get the minnow. This ain't shit.
That's bait right there.
Damn. You have to do like this? Don't even get this on camera.
Yeah, boy, look at that.
Lord have mercy.
That'd be keeper in June 1st.
Get him, D. Get him down.
Where you going?
Oh, take time with him. Take time.
Little one.
Yeah. You can give it a few more weeks.
Yeah, appetizer. Little appetizer right here. Oh, yes. Came off.
He popped the damn thing, but he didn't stay hooked. He had a bit. You seen that, ain't it?
Yeah. So dragon came off.
And he took it back good. Look what he got.
He got what he wanted.
What happened? I'm gonna start running.
Got one, guys. Oh, he pulling. Oh, like this. Oh. Where you going? Where you going? Circle hook. Little dink.
Thank you.
Well, you on a circle. You ain't going nowhere. There you go.
Little dinky dink.
Yeah. 18, 19.
Big action.
Yep. Right after yours.
Yeah. I missed mine. You get yours.
That's how shit works.
All day it's doing. Ain't right. Where your big brother at? That boy snatched him.
Snatching and took it, huh?
The playing boy, I look back, you ain't even worried about what's going on.
Y'all see this.
What's up with that though? You seen that, right?
He bumped that mother, took it back and left it. He probably took it already.
Probably got the bait.
Yeah. Oh shit, oh shit. What people here? Oh, snap. Oh my God. You got it. All you, go ahead. Oh, we got a big one. I'm gonna burn my hand with the line though.
Yeah, I heard it. Trying to keep speed up so to keep everything tight.
Yeah. Let me get that net for you. You can bring him closer. I knew something gonna hit up here.
You called it on the point.
Yeah. Shit, we're gonna reel all of them, man. Fuck it. Oh, good stuff. Professional right there. Professional at work. Let you feel that action. Let you get on. God damn, bro. What the heck is that? The keeper? Yeah, yeah, he is. Get your butt over here, Bo.
Yes, sir.
There you go. Good stuff right there. Good stuff.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you go ahead. I'll let you take care of it.
Oh, I got to do everything.
I'm the cameraman. Boy, y'all see that keeper? He done snatched that thing. He tired. Look at him. Look, he huffing and puffing. Look at him. He say, "God damn, Bo, that's a swim."
That damn silver hook.
Yeah.
Silver. Oh, now.
Getting that time? What I'm talking about. Oh, I see him up there. Good size? Did it? Oh. Ooh, what the hell, the gar?
Hell yeah.
No.